how to fix TikTok video under review problem. So if you want to fix your TikTok video under review problem, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon, and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and tap on report a problem. Here you need to go with videos and sounds. So if you don't have videos and sounds, you can go with feed and playback. Tap on videos. Now you can simply choose video not playing or video lagging while playing, any other option. So I'll just simply go with the first option. After that, tap on no, tap on need more help, and it will take you to report a problem page or either TikTok help desk. So you just need simply go with any one of these options, and then you need to report. So if you get report a problem page, then you just need simply write that I have a video and it's under review for more than a day, so please help me fix my issue. And after that, you need to send the feedback. Or if you're under your TikTok help desk, then you just need simply write the same message here and then send. And TikTok help desk or report a problem page will help you for the further. So that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok video under review problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.